Kung kayo yung mga nagtanim sa amin, ipakukulong nyo kami ng walang kasalanan. Huwag naman sana, sir, ha? Ano nakatanim dyan? Granada? Ha?
Yan po, Mr. Chair, yung granada. Kung may tanim bala, alam na natin yung modus na yan, tanim granada para hindi makapag-bail eh. Diba? Sino ba namang sira ulo ang maglalagay ng granada sa ulunan? Maglalagay ka ng granada sa bahay mo, sa ulo mo. Eh, kung sumabog yan, di sabog ang utak mo. Yung mga mayor doon, Mr. Chair, tuwing Thursday, umaalis na po sila. Ayaw nilang nasa bahay kasi daw baka mangyari din sa kanila. Hindi ko kilala yan. Sa Mabini, hindi nga ako nanalo doon eh. Diba? And tinignan ko yung top 12, ay wala ako. Pero I'm just doing this for...
Nanalo ka na ngayon, Sen. JB.
Recently, I talked to Secretary Abalos about this. Yung po sa Mabini, Batangas, no? The mayor there was arrested and was detained for, I think, 68 days, if I'm not mistaken, in Krame. Well, ano pong charges doon? Pakiplay po yung video. Lahat po sila nakatakip ang mga muka, pati pangalan. I would like to know. Ayan.
Sana naman wala, ha?
Ito po yung mayor.
Magparehas naman tayo.
Wala mayor, konti lang, wag na. Mayor, upo ka dyan, upo ka dyan. Upo ka dyan.
Pinag-aalala ko, kung may nakatanim na doon sa kapatid ko, may nagtanim na rin dito sa
Upo ka
akin.
lang, mayor, upo ka lang.
Ha? Wala naman, wala naman sanang gayunan. Ha? Ganun nyo, kung kayo yung mga nagtanim sa amin, ipakukulong nyo kami ng walang kasalanan. Huwag naman sana, sir, ha? Ano nakatanim dyan? Granada? Ha? Ha? Granada?
Yan po, Mr. Chair, yung granada nasa ulo. Wala na
Ay, may
yata
baka sa akin, granada rin ang ilalagay. Para ikaw walang piyansa. Ano naman yung gagawin mo sa akin? Sana na may huwag, ha? Wala kayong makikita sa akin. Dahil matagal na alam ko na may magpapasearch sa akin. Tsaka unang-una kahit wala pa noon na wala kayong makukuha sa akin iligan. Ha? Wala.
Mayor, upo ka lang dyan.
Huwag naman sanang gayon ang mangyari. Ha?
Okay, siguro kata natin. From what I know, information, the reason why the mayor was arrested because of private armed groups, yung PAGs, no? Intel report, may PAGs. Pero as you can see, doon po, talagang parang ni walang armado, ni walang bodyguard, walang resistance, sakitan niya may itsura ng bahay. Diba? So, I think, although we fund the PNP, we deserve an explanation of these things. We do not want a culture of impunity to continue. Ganun na nga nung past administration ang image. So I guess we have to change that. Sige, Chief MP, February, can you answer? O siguro si IDG bang nag-ano yan? Sino bang unit ang nag-ano nito, nag-lead?
Yes, sir. The units that operated on this particular operation are the detectives of CIDG, RFU, NCR, together with the Pro 4A element and staff by virtue of search warrant number 23-442, sir, for violation of RA 9516. The search warrant was issued by the RTC, sir. We have with us the director of CIDG, sir. Andito po.
Yes, sa akin yan, no? Where's the director of CIDG? Can you answer this? Kasi doon pa lang, Mr. Chair, yung pag-arresting unit, lahat nakatakip ang muka, pati mga plates, mga nameplates. Na. Pero, siguro, Chief NP, ikaw na lang, okay lang.
Anyway, sir, we will into this, sir. The CIDG director is at the holding room. Papunta po rito, sir.
Also, ang ano doon, ang kinaso sa kanya, violation of RA 10591, otherwise known as the Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunitions Regulation Act. No? Kasi tapos nga, yung reported presence of private armed groups. Batangas po ito, CPNP. Kung sa Mindanao po ito, pwede. Pero kung this happened, Batangas, Cavite, wala nang ganito ngayon. In this day and age, Mr. Chair, of social media, matakot lang na mga yan, makasuhan. And I was also given information, natakot po sila. After the arrest of Mayor Villegas of Mabini, Batangas, a PNP officer talked to the mayors of Batangas sa isang meeting ng league. Sinabi, may susunod pa kami sa inyo. Tuwing Thursday, umaalis na po sila. Ayaw nilang nasa bahay kasi daw baka mangyari din sa kanila. So, bakit nagkaganon? We are supposed to be here, the PNP, to serve and protect. Hindi tayo dapat we do not wish to promote a culture of impunity.
Yes, sir. If I may, sir, talagang as the Chief PNP, sir, if dun sa 5 focus agenda ko, one is aggressive and honest law enforcement operation. While we want it aggressive, we want also honestly done, because that is one way of getting the trust and confidence of the public, sir. So,
Kaya lang, yung manner kasi, Chief PNP, Mr. Chair, consume na ako ng 10 minutes, but I have to, before we leave this, yung pag-apply po ng search warrant, no, medyo may, it was applied in Antipolo. No, bakit sa Antipolo RTC nyo in-apply, yung pinanggaling, yung saan po ginawa? Sa Mabini, Batangas yung arrest, di ba? So, tapos yung picture that was sent for the application of search warrant was not even the mayor's picture. It was his brother. No? Nakita namin yon, kapatid niya, picture. I think yung mga brothers niya may mga issues, pero kaganon, di ba? Doon pa lang, technically, meron na tayong violation doon. Hindi naman siguro pwedeng sabihin ng kasalanan ng isang miyembro pamilya, kasalanan din niya. Di ba? Doon po yung can you confirm this na yung application, Chief NP? Wala pa ba yung CIDG head? General Karamat, can you answer this? Kayo po ang CIDG ang nag-lead, no? No operation na ito, yung
Good morning, Your Honor, sir. Yes, sir, that's correct. Before that operation, pinaalam nila po yun sa akin and I give the approval based doon sa information that was given to me. And accordingly, these brothers, marami silang mga dero, kung matatandaan nyo, sir, one of the suspect, yung kapatid nila is a former police officer who was dismissed from the police service. And the other one was ABC president, maraming complaint. And these brothers are na-validate ng Regional 4A na parang mapapasok na sila, sir, sa PAGS. That's the reason why I give the approval na to conduct, to apply search warrant to those suspects, sir. Regarding doon, sir, sa sinabi nyo kanina na may mga mayors na natatakot, well, ang masasabi ko lang, the PNP enforces the law without fear or favor. Kung hindi nagtatago ng PAGS o hindi nagmi-maintain ng PAGS itong mga mayor na ito, wala po silang dapat katakutan po, sir. So,
pero General, sorry to
Yes,
cut
sir.
you, no? Sabi ko nga kay Secretary Abalos noon, or General Lacorda, if this happened 20 years ago, believable sa Batangas, Cavite, wala nang ganyan ngayon. I don't think there is still a lot presence of private armed groups in the area. Kung siguro sa Mindanao, ngayon pwede ako maniwala. Pero ngayon sa Batangas, Calabarzon, wala na tayong naririnig na ganyan. And I had the chance to meet pa isa-isa yung mga nagsosolicit sa amin ng project ng mga mayor. Hindi sa isa ko. Naniniwala ba kayo sa nangyari? walang naniniwala eh. Natakot nga sila. In fact, Thursday pa lang, karamihan sa mayors, umaalis na ng bahay nila dahil ayaw nila mangyari. Yung nangyari kay Mayor Villanueva. Can you answer this? Hindi kayo na General Karamat. As I mentioned,
Yes.
I'm one of the biggest supporters of PBBM. Alam niyo yan, na pinakamalaking budget ng time na ako nag-defend nito.
Yes,
Yun
sir.
lang, you have to justify your actions. Hindi pwedeng culture of impunity would remain.
Yes, sir. Regarding doon po, sir, sa information na kumakalat na mayroon pong susunod na mayor, sir. Actually, sir, wala pong ganun, sir.
Pero yun po, nanggaling sa mga mayors eh. One of
I
your
don't know
officers,
where that
sinabi
information
po nila.
came from.
Sinabi po niya, susunod pa namin 7 sa inyo. Kaya nga takot-takot, walang umuwi sa mga yun.
Sir,
Bigay ko na nga, papakita ko lang, Mr. Chair. Ito pong application for search warrant, may baril pa kay Mayor, pero hindi po siya ito. Kapatid daw niya ito. So doon pa lang, nagkamali, tapos antipolo nyo pa in-apply. Ba? Bakit hindi doon sa place of where the incident happened o yung supposed to be raid sa Batangas? Bakit sa antipolo kailangan mag-apply?
yes, sir. For the purpose of secrecy, sir, so that our operations will not be burned out. I think there's nothing wrong with that, sir. And regarding doon sa mga 7 mayors na susunod daw na i-applyan, sir, as the CIDG director, sir, I can assure you that
Get your assurance. Can we get your
Yes, sir.
assurance na wala
Yes,
na
sir.
mangyayari ganyan?
yes, sir, unless that in the future they will not commit any mistake, sir, or any violation, sir. Yes.
General Karamat, again, if this happened 10, 20 years ago, maniniwala ako eh. In this day and age of social media, takot na lahat sa kaso, takot na lahat sa mailabas. Lalo na in Calabarzon, napakalapit sa Metro Manila. I'm sure our chair and Senator Gatchalian here would agree. No? Wala nang gagawa ng ganyan. In this day and age, kasi ang pinakahuling ayaw natin na magamit ang PNP for political vendetta. Nangyari na sa akin yan, nung last year's hearing. Di ba? Andito ba si Colonel Santos? Diba? Nung wala ako sa pwesto, pahuhuli pa ako. Ang hinuli niya, si biggest accomplishment niya kay Mayor Zamora, pinahuli yung mga nagkakape during the time of pandemic. Huwag naman sana maulit yung ganyan. That, again, we are already in the process of PNP reorganization na dapat yung PNP will be apolitical. So ito, parang merong shade ng politika ito. Siguro. Diba?
Thank you, sir. As I said before, sir, we just base our operations based on the validations that these suspects are included in the potential PAGS watch list, sir. But for any other reasons like politics, I don't know these people, sir. So I can assure you, sir, that
Also, I don't know, for the
Yes,
record,
sir.
Mr. Chair, I don't even know Mayor Villanueva. Hindi ko kilala yan. Sa Mabini, hindi nga ako nanalo dun eh. Di ba? And tinignan ko yung top 12, ay wala ako. Pero I'm just doing this for,
Nanalo ka na ngayon, Sen JB.
siguro,
Dahil dito sa issue na.
hindi, I'm just saying that, we do not want this to happen. Kasi nga, wag naman sanang gamitin ito sa, tapos yung pong yung tanong ko lang, why, standard operation ba yun na yung mga PNP nakakover ang yung raiding team, nakamas sila lahat. Wala, nameplate sila, nakatakip. Di ba dapat yan? Meron na nga tayong mga body cam eh. So bakit ganun? Lahat po nando sa raiding team unit, nakakover po ang lahat ng ang nila. Ang mga muka.
sir, kung naka-cover naman yung mga mukha, sir, sir, they are equipped with alternate recording device or body-worn camera, sir. Sometimes, may mga intelligence operatives natin, sir, na hindi pwedeng i-divert. And these things, sir, is being applied also in other countries, especially those who are in the special unit, sir, for their own protection, sir, but not for anything
But
else,
this is
sir.
already serving a warrant already, General. And nagkondak kayo ng raid, walang kasamang barangay na witness. So pwedeng mangyayari doon sa loob? Pwede they can plant anything. And yun na pa, Mr. Chair, nakita niyo naman sa video, sumisigaw yung yung pamangkin niya dahil lalagyan na ng granada doon sa kabilang bahay. Dito rin, granada rin para hindi makapag-bail. Di ba? Kung may tanim bala, alam na natin yung modus na yan, tanim granada para hindi makapag-bail eh. Di ba? Sino ba nang magsira ulo ang maglalagay ng granada sa ulunan? Maglalagay ka ng granada sa bahay mo, sa ulo mo. Kung sumabog yan, di sabog ang utak mo. Di ba? Marami kayong dapat ipaliwanag dito, General. And I would like a report on this. Mr. Chair, again, I do not mind supporting the PNP, but we just have to do everything in perspective, in the proper perspective. Diba? General?
Thank you, sir, for bringing out this matter, sir, and I will dig deeper into this matter, and I will submit to your office a comprehensive report about this operation, sir.
But
Thank
he
you,
was
sir.
already, na-release na si Mayor for the record, no?
I'm aware of also, sir.
68
Yes, sir.
days yun,
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Chair. He
Yes,
was
sir.
detained for 68 days. Pero mag-iingat naman tayo. We have to improve if we want to have a conducive investment climate, kailangan yung culture of impunity matanggal sa atin. Mr. Chair, thank you.